super excited to show you my garden gloves. What is unique about this is its touchscreen function. Unlike other gloves, you don't need to take them off when you need to use your phone. So for example, you are gardening and you need to take a call, or you need to send a text, or there is a butterfly flying by and you would like to take a video. You don't need to take them off. It is touchscreen, so these 3 fingers of both gloves, they are touchscreen. So you can open your phone. This is made of cowhide with reinforced padding, so this is not going to puncture when you are working on roses, for example, or cactus. And this is made of breathable material, so your hands will be comfortable on this like gloves. So you can work on roses without getting worried or being infected by the thorns. Like for example, if you need to prune some roses, like this. Same thing with cactus. Or you can use this to work on bougainvilleas too. Like bougainvilleas have thorns, but if you are using this one, you can really hold on to. See, it doesn't help. You won't get things from the material used. Again, this is made of cowhide with reinforced padding. So, this bougainvillea. Bougainvilleas are gorgeous. Ergonomic design makes it really easy and comfortable to hold on to your gardening tools. Like for example, this one. This is laurel plant. I need to harvest them, so it's really easy to hold on to gardening tools, like pruning tools. I like the brown color, which more of even when it's dirty, it won't be noticeable. And I like pink and blue, so I got the pink and blue here. This is the perfect color for me. But this comes in 5 different colors. This is my new favorite garden gloves. This was given to me by Slarmor. That is the brand name, and the link is down below in case you are interested.